tips and tricks is about breaking the wall, based on the National Mah Jongg League rules stated in the official rule book and on your card. Here on the card it states, to begin, all tiles are placed down and mixed. East rolls the dice and the total number thrown designates where East breaks the wall. I am going to show you how to do this. So I will be East, I roll the dice, and I have 7. It's the total number on the dice. 5 plus 2 is 7. I push out the wall and I count 7 tiles across, 2 high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is where the wall will be broken. Again, you start from the right and go to the left. And the reason why we do it is to prevent cheating. You would cut a deck of cards in a card game. So here, decide where the break is. You grab all the tiles and pull the rest back. These stay at the right-hand side of your wall to be used at the end of the game. The dice go to the player on your right, who will then be East the next game. Now we will start the deal from the center of the table. East takes the first 2 tiles, and the deal goes around the table till everybody has their tiles. Some people break the wall and push the tiles off to their right. So for example, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You always start from the right. You break the wall at the 4th tile, 2 stacks, and push it off to the right, and then push out the remaining wall. I personally find it easier to push out the wall all the way complete, count 4 stacks, grab those 4, and pull back. This way you're not fumbling with the tiles on the right-hand side. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you have any suggestions for any tips and tricks you'd like to see, leave a comment below. If you like what you saw, please you can take lessons from me at Mah Jongg Class, or check me out on Facebook or my webpage, Mah Jongg Class. If you like this video, subscribe for more.